मणिकर्णिका द क्वीन ऑफ झांसी एवं हिंदी फिल्म पंगा के लिए अभिनेत्री कंगना रनौत जी को रजत कमल दिया जाता है।
For the outstanding performance as the legendary Jhansi Ki Rani in the film Manikarnika and the depiction of a middle-aged mother coming back to sports, facing all odds.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ अभिनेता के लिए माननीय जूरी ने 2 अभिनेताओं को चुना है। पहले अभिनेता हैं श्री धनुष। इन्हें तमिल फिल्म असुरन में इनके अभिनय के लिए पुरस्कृत किया गया है। इन्हें भी रजत कमल प्रदान किया जा रहा है। दूसरे सर्वश्रेष्ठ अभिनेता हैं श्री मनोज बाजपेयी। इन्हें हिंदी फिल्म भोसले में उनके अभिनय के लिए पुरस्कृत किया जा रहा है। इन्हें रजत कमल।
For the powerful portrayal of a brain cancer patient and sacrificing his life to uphold a woman's dignity against evil.
और मैं दादा साहेब फाल्के पुरस्कार ग्रहण करने के लिए श्री रजनीकांत जी को मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ। स्वर्ण कमल प्राप्त कर रहे हैं श्री रजनीकांत जी। भारत सरकार द्वारा दिया जाने वाला भारतीय सिनेमा का सर्वोच्च सम्मान भारतीय फिल्म उद्योग में अपने अभूतपूर्व योगदान के लिए श्री रजनीकांत जी को दिया जा रहा है। रजनीकांत जी वो अभिनेता जिनके काम ने दर्शकों का न सिर्फ मनोरंजन किया बल्कि उन पर गहरा असर छोड़ा। उनका सफर शानदार रहा। भारत के सबसे चहेते और लोकप्रिय कलाकारों में से एक हैं श्री रजनीकांत जी।
This award is a recognition of Sri Rajnikant's acting skills, evident in various entertaining roles in his career of over 45 years in the Indian film industry.
रजनीकांत जी की संवाद अदायगी, स्क्रीन पर दिखने वाला अनोखापन दर्शकों को बेहद पसंद है। वो देश के सिने प्रेमियों को पीढ़ियों से प्रेरित करते आ रहे हैं। सिने प्रेमियों की कितनी ही पीढ़ियां उनसे प्रेरणा पा रही हैं।
I'm extremely happy to receive this prestigious award, and my heartfelt thanks to Central Government for honoring me with this most prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Award. I dedicate this award to my mentor, my guru, K. Balchandra sir. This moment, I remember him with great gratitude. And my brother Satyanarayana Rao Gaikwad, who is like my father, who brought me up with, teaching me with great values and injecting me a spirituality in me. And my friend, a Karnataka bus transport driver, my colleague, Raj Bahadur. When I was the bus conductor, he was the one who identified the acting talent in me and encouraged me to join cinemas. And all my producers and directors who produced my films, and technicians who worked in, and co-artists, and all the distributors, exhibitors, the media, press, and all my fans. And Tamil people, without them, I am nobody. என்னை வாழ வைக்கும் தெய்வங்களான தமிழ் மக்களுக்கு நன்றி. ஜெய் ஹிந்த்.
इस वर्ष के राष्ट्रीय फिल्म पुरस्कारों की विभिन्न श्रेणियों में सम्मानित फिल्मकार, निर्देशक, गायक और संगीतकार, कलाकार और टेक्नीशियन बंधुओं, फिल्म जगत से जुड़े अब सभी सम्मानित अतिथिगण, उपस्थिति माननीय अतिथिगण और मीडिया के मित्रों, बहनों और भाइयों, I feel extremely happy to be here amidst you all today to present these national awards for the last 2 years, which could not be held because of the pandemic, COVID, because presenting virtual is not actual. Virtual is not factual. So you cannot enjoy also. That's why they have delayed it. And now, as the situation is improving, not improved, improving, we are having this function today amidst all of you. And also, we are able to felicitate the winners, the award winners, in various categories of the film world, and more particularly the popular star around the world, I can say not only India, Sri Rajinikanth ji, who is honored rightly by the government with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. And I also would like to greet all the men and women who are watching this program across the country through the medium of various channels. सड़सठवें राष्ट्रीय फिल्म पुरस्कार समारोह के अवसर पर अब सबके बीच में आकर मुझे बहुत प्रसन्नता है। सबसे पहले मैं इस पुरस्कार के विजेताओं को हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं। मैं उन सभी लोगों का भी बधाई देता हूं जो इन फिल्मों को निर्माण से जुड़े रहे। I would like to compliment and congratulate all the people, from the light man to the floor sweeper, to the producer, to the director, actors, heroes, heroines, all those people who are responsible for the success of these films. भारतीय फिल्म उद्योग ने विभिन्न भाषाओं में अपनी पहचान बनाई है, चाहे वो भोजपुरी फिल्म हो या तमिल या फिर उड़िया या असमी फिल्म हो, अन्य भाषाओं में भी उल्लेखनीय फिल्में बन रही है। भाषाओं के विभिन्नता के बावजूद सिनेमा की अपनी ही अलग भाषा होती है, जो क्षेत्रीय या सांप्रदायिक सीमाओं से ऊपर है। अलग भाषा, अलग वेश, फिर भी अपना एक देश। विविधता में एकता भारत का विशेषण। We are all Indians, north or south, east or west. India is the best. And we are all proud to be Indian citizens. So we celebrate this industry's success because film industry is one which gives us entertainment, which gives us enlightenment, which gives us encouragement, which makes us feel light when you are heavy with heart. And I can say with all my experience, the cheapest entertainment in the country, in the world for that matter, is cinema. Everything is costly. Right from politics to all other activities, everything is becoming costly. But cinema is not that much costly. Viewing the cinema, producing cinema is costly, I know that. I am not undermining that. Viewing the cinema, entertainment. Even if you don't reach it, it will reach you. Because thanks to the electronic media and also social media. Kangana ji is smiling. Social media means she plays with social media. Social media, one way, is very good, very useful. But at the same time, it is not that much constructive. Sometimes it becomes obstructive and also destructive. It has to correct itself. Otherwise, it will lose its relevance, I can tell. Because people will sooner or realize what is happening in the social media. It's really disturbing. We are felicitating one of the great sons of this great country, Sri Rajinikanth ji. Most celebrated actors from South India, not of South India. Taraivar, rules over millions of hearts and needs no introduction. The iconic thespian's unmatchable style and acting skills have indeed given a new dimension to the Indian film industry. His memorable performances in various films, including Mundru, Muduchu, Shivaji, The Boss, Vainatinai, Bhairavi, stand apart and are a part of popular lore. Tadaivar epitomizes the perfect balance between the artistic expressions and mass appeal, something all young filmmakers here could do well to attempt in future. My dear friends, the National Film Awards mirror the diversity of Indian film industry, an industry that is a confluence of many Indian languages, and they have markets also. Needless to add, each of these languages is unique in behavioral and audience preferences. Therefore, the National Film Award is in a sense a tribute to India's diversity. It fosters and recognizes the talent of India's dynamic subcultures.